Make over 1 kg of mozzarella using just 1 liter of milk and stop overpaying at the market. In a pan with the heat off, pour in 1 liter of milk. Next, add 10 tablespoons of cornstarch. Let's mix everything thoroughly. Once dissolved, add 2 tablespoons of margarine and 200 grams of grated mozzarella and 20 grams of Parmesan cheese. Now turn on the heat and stir until it reaches the ideal thickness. Keep the heat at a medium temperature. After a while, it will start to thicken. You can see how it's progressing. It will start to detach from the pan bottom. That's the sign it's ready. I added a bit of salt here. The amount will depend on your preference. Keep adjusting. Continue to stir over low heat. It's crucial to cook it thoroughly. Once it reaches this stage, it's ready. Remove it from heat and transfer to a mold, or as I did, into a milk carton. Mine filled almost a full milk carton and some more. Now cover it with plastic wrap. Put it in the fridge for at least 12 hours. After this time, just unmold, cut, and it's ready to enjoy. Check out how our quick, easy, and delicious mozzarella turned out. Try this at home. I'm certain everyone will love it. An ideal recipe for saving money. I hope you enjoyed it. This is another recipe from Margarine Cocina. Big hug. Until next time, and thank you, and enjoy. See how our quick, easy, and delicious mozzarella turned out. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will adore it. A perfect money-saving recipe. I hope you liked it. This a Margarine Cocina recipe. Big hug. See you next time, and thanks.